Hi, good morning, friends. This topic has been giving me particular concern. You know why it's giving me particular concern? Because I've seen marriages, people coming all the way from overseas to come and get married to our girls here. Our girls getting married and all that. So I decided today to talk on this topic. Like, if you're getting married this period, because please, I beg you in the name of God, do it well, so that you don't end up at the end of the day saying, "What kind of marriage did you conduct?" So we have what we call in law a licensed place of worship and an unlicensed place of worship. If you are the type that is very scared of court marriage, if you are the type that is very uncomfortable with going to the registry to get married, please listen and draw yourself closer to this video. There are churches where you get married, you do not have rights there. You have simply subjected yourself to another form of glorified customary marriage. If you get married in an unlicensed place of worship, you have no rights. That marriage is not a monogamous marriage. That's why you see some people, when after getting married, a man getting married in church, he marries another and the woman is helpless. Why? Because at first, when the man conducted the marriage with the first wife, it was an unlicensed place of worship. An unlicensed place of worship will also always give you a certificate, which we call in law church blessing. It confers no rights. So there are places that you conduct your wedding and the law will recognize it as a monogamous marriage. And there are places where you conduct your marriages and the law will not recognize it. So licensed places of worship are those places which are legally licensed to carry out valid marriages under the law. There are churches which are licensed to carry out valid marriage under the law, and there are churches which are not licensed. And those churches which are not licensed are what we call unlicensed place of worship, and their marriages are unlicensed place of worship confers no rights. So for you, I'm going to do this small thing. What I will do now is to list out those places which are licensed place of worship. Catholic Church is a licensed place of worship. You can wed there. Anglican is a licensed place of worship. Methodist is a licensed place of worship. Christ Embassy, Winners, they are all licensed to carry out a valid marriage. But there are mushroom churches like Jesus is Lord, this one. All these mushroom churches that have been opened by your neighbor, they cannot conduct valid marriages in law. They are not licensed. If you conduct your marriage there, what you have simply done is traditional marriage. The man can wake up tomorrow and get married to another woman, and you have no remedy in law, because what you have done is customary marriage, and customary marriage